So listen, you brought up a couple of terms. I always like to define terms so that people understand. You brought up the word smart contracts, and you said not all blockchains use smart contracts. Can you please explain what is a smart contract and why does a blockchain use it and why does it not use it?
I'll try to put it in business language, Mark, right? So today, let us suppose I am making a payment, from my company to another company, right? And when I make the payment, I will have certain rules on my ERP or on my system that I use, and then I will have to send that information back to the other company, which is the receiver, right? Saying that hey, I paid you this. So until they reconcile, nothing gets done. But rather, what I can do is I can write a network. I can write a business rule on the network itself that says that if this condition is met, this payment has to be released. This should be the receiver, right? So as soon as that condition is met, as soon as that I approve a particular receipt of good or service, then the smart contract, through the smart contract, which has, let us say, certain tokens or certain monetary value in the wallet, that amount can be automatically triggered to the receiver's address or the receiver's wallet. So that way there is no bureaucracy that is involved, and then the both sides. So smart contracts are event-based triggers. So on meeting a certain condition, another action has to happen. That is what, for me, a definition of a smart contract is.
But not all blockchains have smart contract capability.
Not necessarily.
Okay, good, very good.